Welcome back, everybody. And in this video, we're going to talk about Gala Games, one of my favorite altcoins out there. And I think, obviously, this is a huge, huge opportunity before GameFi, before gaming cryptos really take off. And I think Gala is perfectly situated. It is the biggest asset I hold within this arena, okay, in the gaming front. Now, let's dive in here. And not only is it a great opportunity just from the chart perspective, well below its all time high set back in November, up over 70 cents. Right now, trading at 6 cents. And in the last 3 months, we could have got it as low as 4 cents and some change. It is reversing nicely. And overall, it's in a nice little accumulation zone. We're going to take a look at that right here. This is the weekly chart on Gala. So the last 4 weeks, you can see slowly but surely making its turn to the upside. Again, the weekly candlesticks here, you could see we've been kind of trading in this tight range for the past 2 months with Gala. It has not gone lower than about 4.5 cents. And I do think Gala is gearing up for a big move to the upside. Now, if we jump into this tweet, this is really looking into the future of Gala, and these are some lofty goals, okay? But I think if there's anybody who can do it right now in crypto, in the gaming space, it's Gala. It says Blockbuster didn't pivot because 12% of their revenue came from late fees, opening the door for Netflix. Similarly, Gala Games will replace Steam because they are prioritizing the interests of gamers and NFT holders, not those of short sighted shareholders. And Web3 Gala, of course, going to be a big player in this space. Now, Go Gala Games just tweeted this recently. One of their games, TWDE, The Walking Dead Empire, the long awaited playtest for TWDE is coming very soon. This tweet out this afternoon. Draw up your shelter plans, ready your arsenal, and look out for walkers. TWD, join the Discord for updates as well. That tweet came out today at noon. And man, it is going to be fun to watch this ecosystem continue to grow. Fortitude, another huge game within their ecosystem. You can go to their website too and see where all these games are at in terms of, are they in development? Can you actually play test them or not? I mean, this is why I love Gala, because they're not betting on one game. They're not going to say, hey, we're going to build the greatest one game ever and it's going to work. Listen, I don't fault anybody who's doing it that way. From an investor standpoint, though, I'd rather bet on an ecosystem, and that is what they're building here. You see, I mean, the comparisons right here, replacing Steam, a huge, huge service. I mean, this is massive. We're talking Steam is the service that is the largest digital distribution platform for PC gaming, estimated around 75% of the market share. This was back in 2013. Now, by 2017, users purchasing games through Steam totaled approximately $4.3 billion with a B. They're not building one game. They're building an entire ecosystem to be the place where you build your game for Web3. That is why I'm betting on Gala. Now, let me dive into their website here real quick, and I can show you their games that are actually on the way here. Okay, of course, some trending games here, Fortitude and Grit. You can see how many games they've got. I mean, Fortitude, Grit, Battlestar Galactica. Now, all three, Fortitude is in development. This is development status for Grit. Battlestar Galactica is in development. Eternal Paradox in development. Spider Tanks is in beta. You can actually test this game, Town Crush, which I actually have. Superior, TWDE, The Walking Dead Empires. We just talked about that. Legends Reborn, Townstar. You could play it. It's in beta. Mirandus, which looks sick. Legacy, Last Expedition, Echoes of Empire. I mean, think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 games right now, either in development, you can play them, or they're in beta. That's right now. This is early stages too for Gala. This is why, from an investor standpoint, I'm all in on Gala Games. And here's the thing. You don't have to play video games to know that they're big, to know that the industry's huge, to know that it lends itself perfectly with Web3. perfectly with blockchain and the future of where crypto is going. There are over 3 billion gamers out there worldwide. Ask those 3 million people, hey, would you continue to play the games you're playing if you could earn money too? Chances are they'd play them more, right? And that is where I am looking at it from an investing standpoint. So that is what I've got for you here in this update. Thank you so much for popping in. Let me know your thoughts about it down below in the comment section. I appreciate you stopping by. We'll keep you up to speed on the latest in terms of what's cooking with Gala. Something else coming, I'll leave you with this. Watch and earn. Not just play to earn, watch and earn. Go Gala Games will be at the forefront of that as well. Thank you so much for popping in, and make sure you smash the like button on your way outside the door. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.